going on, guys? Welcome back to Jex Kicks, guys. And today we have a lit unboxing. This is of the SpongeBob tee and the hat. Now, currently I just received the tee right now, but the hat did not come with this order, so I'm waiting on that. So it's gonna be a two-part video. So I'm gonna just showcase the tee right now, and then we'll showcase the hat later on in the video, and then we'll do it on body and stuff like that. But just wanted to showcase this. So here it is in an extra large. Got it all here. And the varsity jacket, or not the varsity jacket, the racing jacket looked really cool. And it's like, I would have gone for it, but the only reason why I didn't is because I was just thinking about the price. And then I was like, am I gonna wear this all the time? Like a piece like this and stuff, it's something that you wear like not all the time. It depends on the occasion, you know what I'm saying? So I was just like, am I really gonna spend that much money for something I'm not gonna wear all the time? Nah. So I was just like, I'll just be fine. I'll just get this in the hat. And I got it, and I'm actually very happy with that because I like the way they look. But here's a look at the long sleeve tee, and I'm definitely excited for the hat. The hat looks really good. I got the black one, as you guys will see later on in today's video. So yeah, let's open this thing up real quick and check it out. Now, I definitely could have got the white hat as well, but I was like, nah, I'll just be fine with just the black. I don't need to do too much getting all that stuff. So here it is, $58 for this. Obviously, all my unboxings, I have the retail price for everything in the description down below, so check that stuff out. Make sure you guys check out my main channel, Jex Gaming. And here it is. Wow, just look at it. Oh, it looks really cool in hand. This looks really nice. There's the back. That looks really cool, man. Here's a look at the sleeves. Obviously, I'm gonna showcase it on body in the video as well. Here's a look at the sleeves. That looks really nice. You know, this is why I really wanted to get this long sleeve, because it's like, this is something that I'll wear like occasionally, you know, if you're going to the store or something just to pick up something, you know what I'm saying? This is when I would wear it, you know what I'm saying? The jacket is really nice though, and I don't know, you know, it's cool, but it's just something that I probably wouldn't have gotten. So I think it looks really cool. If you did get the racing jacket though, like, that's really cool though. That's really cool. All right, guys, so sorry for the mess. It's been a couple of days since we started this video, so now it's like 3-4 days later, because like I said, this hat actually was in such demand that it got delayed. So finally I got my hat in, and we're going to showcase that. And sorry for the mess. Like I said, the Switch 2 just came out today, so well, go follow me on my main channel, Jex Gaming. That way you guys can see my Switch 2 unboxing and everything. But anyways, here it is, the SpongeBob hat. Here's the side, the back, the side, the bottom. Let's open it, man. This thing looks sick. This thing looks high quality. All right, let's open this thing up and let's see what it's all about. And we're gonna showcase the shirt on body as well. So like I said, you know, the jacket, the racing jacket, was really cool looking, but it's just not a piece that I do not see myself like wearing like that, you know what I'm saying? Like a tee and a hat, this is more wearable than like that whole jacket, because it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So if you did get the jacket, shout out to you. I think it's a cool piece, but it's just not something that I would see myself wearing all the time. But these items, I can see myself wearing a good amount. So here's the hats right here, man. Look at the stick, bro. This is such high quality. Look at this. Look at the embroidery. All the patches around the hats. First unfold right here. Wow, look at the netting too. Hold on, let's check this out. The netting looks absolutely amazing. I believe this is also a Jeff Hamilton hat as well. So he was collaboration with the racing jacket, and I believe the hat is also Jeff Hamilton as well. So look at that. World famous. That is hard, man. SpongeBob SquarePants. Patches all over. Supreme and bold. Look at that. Really nice. And I think this works perfectly with this long sleeve tee. So we're gonna go ahead and just throw it on real quick, and then we'll showcase the tee as well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's a look at it. The hat, man. Let me know what you guys think. Also, I can open it up a little bit more too. And there it is, guys. Fits perfectly on the head. Let me know what you guys think. And let's go ahead and throw it on body real quick. Let's go ahead and show off the full fit. All right, guys, so here's everything together. As you guys can see here, here's the whole thing. You guys can see everything, man. Like I said, this is an extra large. Side, I love the sleeves. The sleeves are really cool. Now, like as always, I always have the price for everything in the description down below with all the details. Now, this is a $58 tee, so, and it's a long sleeve, so as quality wise, it feels like a $58 tee, like you know what I'm saying. So though that is kind of pricey for a tee, but if we're talking supreme terms, it's okay quality. It's not top tier. It's just a normal tee with a print. But here's the whole fit. As you guys can see, man, matches perfectly. The hat matches absolutely perfectly with everything. So let me know what you guys think about the hat. And here's what the back of the hat looks like too. The back of the hat's crazy, man. Back of the hat is crazy. Look at that. Look at this hat matches perfectly with the whole tee. So we got the white one. I think the white hat would match perfectly with the white tee as well. So looks really nice. I love the embroidery. Great quality, as you guys can see here. Amazing quality. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. All right, well, that's everything for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about everything that we went over in today's video, guys. Like I said, man, really nice items. They're very unique pieces, and it's like, when are we gonna get another SpongeBob Supreme collab? You know what I'm saying? So I had to get one of these items. So glad I got the hat and also the tee. So this, this is like a cool, like, vibe out type of, fit. Like, if you just want to just go, to the store or whatever, just throw this on. I think that this is a really cool hat though. This hat though is really cool, and it has absolutely great material. Like once you actually feel it on in hand, you're like, wow, this is actually some really insane material, like very high quality. As you guys can see there, like, look at all that. That thing looks perfect all around. Supreme branding as well. So really nice overall. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I really like it. And let me know what you guys think about the tee as well. I think the tee looks pretty cool. Is it premium? It's not really that premium, but it's a cool item to have though if you want it. So definitely cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Signing out. Peace.